Let's now discuss about adding 0 whenever you add a number to 0 or 0 to another number. Let's have our example as 0, so there's no pom-poms, plus 4, and there's 4 pom-poms here. We see that the total number of pom-poms is 4, because nothing plus 4 is 4. Now what happens if you switch the order? You will get 4 plus nothing plus 0 is equal to 4. So you see the total does not change with the order of 4 and 0, and so therefore 0 plus 4 equals 4 plus 0. Let's now show it the roller way. As always, we start at the very beginning at 0. To go to 4, we go 4 steps forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we do no steps because 0 is nothing. And so we end up at 4. Let's do it the other way. Let's do 0 plus 4. In this case, we would start at 0 again as always. We would move 0 steps to get to 0, and then we would add 4 steps forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, to end up at 4. So as you see in both cases scenario, it doesn't matter you have nothing and then your direction, or direction and nothing. So therefore, 4 plus 0 equals 0 plus 4. So what happens if you have 0 plus 0? You have no pom-poms plus no pom-poms, and you get no pom-poms. If you switch to zeros, you get the same solution. No pom-poms plus no pom-poms equals no pom-poms. You can see that 0 plus 0 equals 0 plus 0. You can show this using a number line. So suppose that you start at the very beginning at 0, you move 0 steps, and then you move 0 steps again to end up at 0. Both ways you will end up with this situation. So 0 plus 0 equals 0 plus 0. I would like to further explain why that this property that A plus B is equal to B plus A works when one of those numbers is 0. Let's figure out A plus 0 first. One way to think of this would be a piggy bank. So real quick, what is A doing being added to a number? Well, in this case, A represents any type of number. So suppose that A is negative. In the bank account example, you are having owe someone money. If you add 0 money to your account, you have not changed the situation. You still owe that much amount of money. If you have 0 money in your bank account, adding 0 more to it, you have not changed the situation. You not have taken away a penny or added a penny. Same thing if you have some money in the bank account. Adding $0 will not change the situation. You still have that much amount, not a penny more, not a penny less. So A plus 0 must equal A. You can also visualize this by using pom-poms. Suppose that I have A pom-poms, and then suddenly I add 0 more. I have not added anything. I still have the amount of pom-poms I started with. Or you can imagine this with a roller. Suppose that I'm at position A. If I neither move forward nor backward, I'm still at the same position I started at, which is A. Okay, now let's look at 0 plus A. To visualize this with the piggy bank, suppose that I have no dollars and then I add some to it. My now total will be the amount that I just added because I started out with 0. Or pom-poms. Suppose I have no pom-poms, and then suddenly I add a few more pom-poms. The amount of pom-poms I just added would be my total because I started out with nothing. You can think about this with the roller method. Suppose I start at 0 and then I move A steps. I would be at A because I started at 0. So 0 plus A is equal to A. So real quick, I wanted to do a side note here. These equations show that A is known as the identity for addition. What that means is that if you add 0 to any number, your total will be that number you started out with first. Okay, back to discussing why A plus 0 is equal to 0 plus A. A is equal to A. That is based on that definition of the equal sign, based on equality. A plus 0 I'm going to put on the left side based on this equation. On the right side I'll have 0 plus A based on this equation. So therefore 8 plus 0 is equal to 0 plus A.
Thanks for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it.